Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you work from home jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home regardless of wherever you are in the world. And the best part is you don't need to say anything. All you have to do is to make sure you have a smartphone, a computer, and an internet source that you can use to access these websites. And another interesting thing is that you don't need to have any degree or have any experience. All you have to do is to make sure you are above 18 years old and you can speak and write English fluently. There are also other languages that are available on the websites I'm going to be sharing, so please make sure to watch this video to the end. So let's get right into it. So the first website is called AmberScript. This website allows you to do work like transcription or typing jobs, translation jobs, and script writing. Now the good thing is that these jobs have different ranges depending on the one you pick to do, and it is available for everyone. So for those that want to do stuff like transcription job from the website, you can see that you are going to be paid 3.5 euros to 6 euros per audio minute. What this means is that for every audio minute you transcribe, you will earn $3 to $6 per minute of that audio you are transcribing. So it's different from working per hour. So you have to understand this and don't mix it up. Now, as a Dublin script writer or a Dublin voiceover actor, you get to earn $3 to $16 per audio or video minute. And these are the things you're going to be seeing here on the website. Now they have other things that you may want to check out in terms of taxes and all those kind of stuff. The payment is usually done every month, either by bank transfer or you can choose the preferred payment method. But you have to make sure that the ones you're going to be choosing is the one that is available here on the website. And the deadline to accept a job is, for most jobs, you have 48 hours to complete after accepting the job. So what this means is that you have to make sure the job will be ready before 48 hours so that you have it submitted and then you get paid once the job is approved. Now let's move over to the second website. Now the second website is another one that allows you to do similar jobs like transcription or typing job and translation job. And that website is called 3playmedia.com. So this is a place where you find a lot of things like transcription and all those kind of stuff. I recommend you complete your application in one sitting. What means that once you have started your application, recommending that you make sure to complete it before you leave the website. And you'll have to run a background check on whoever. As you can see here, you must be 18 years and above, and you must have excellent communication skills like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So these are the things you have to make sure you have. For the payment on this website, I did not really get to see it on the website, but from my research, I saw that they pay from $18 to $30 per hour, depending on the job you're going to be doing for them here on the website. And if you want to get started as a transcriptionist, you click here where it says Start New Transcription, and then here is the information you're going to fill out. You fill out this form here, put in your region and all those stuff, your name, and then you have to confirm your email. Afterwards, you put in your location information, and you're going to be given a little test to do to know the level of understanding or the knowledge you have about transcription job. And then you put in your skills and experience, this kind of stuff on the website. And once you're done with the application process and if it's approved, you're going to be receiving transcription jobs to do here on the website. So you might also want to check that out. So the next website we're going to be talking about today is called Transcription Go. I've actually mentioned this website here on my channel. So here is what the website looks like. You find transcription jobs and all this kind of stuff here, and they pay you up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. What it means is that for every video or audio you transcribe on this website, you earn up to 60 cents. The average earning according to this website is $150 per month, and if you're a top earner on this website, you earn like $1,215 per month, like if you're a top earner. And then you have your transcription jobs. You can transcribe in different languages on this website. As you can see, there are lots of languages here that you transcribe. And let's talk about the payments. When it comes to payments, you will receive your pay every Friday on this particular website. And then the payment rate is usually, the average payment is usually 0.6 per audio minute. What it means is that for every audio minute you transcribe, you're going to receive that amount. So that is what you have to know about this website, and you have to make sure to do your own research as well before you get started with any of the website. And for this particular one, to sign up with them to get started, you click here where it says apply now, and then fill out the information. However, it is important for you to know that because of the level of available freelancers they have, the website might not really be accepting for English speakers. So you have to have that in mind before you start making your own application. So moving on, we have other websites I'm going to also mention. But before that, please let me know which of the website you might be considering to apply to in the comment section, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and I appreciate you for your support so far, and I hope to make more videos for you. So moving on, the next website we're going to be talking about is called BibleType. Now, this is a market research transcription site where you get to find different transcription jobs available for everybody that is willing to do the job. Like I mentioned earlier, you just have to have a smartphone, an internet source, or a computer preferably. Now, here is what the website looks like, and here it says the work requires high degree of skills in language, listening ability, and ability to deal with sophisticated transcription formats. And here the page is for English language transcribers, so you must be an English language transcriber to be able to transcribe on this particular website. And then unfortunately, they don't really accept applications from all over the world at the moment, and they don't really accept accounts that has VPN in it. If they're able to figure that out, they will block that account. So for people that are staying in US, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand, you are eligible to apply to this website, so you might also want to apply. However, for those staying in the United States, if you're staying in California, you might not really be able to apply to the website. So for the payments on this website, they usually pay around $18 to $20 per hour for transcription job from my research, because I could not find the payment stated here on the website. So you may have that in mind if you're looking to apply to BibleType.com as a transcriptionist. So we are going to be moving on to the next website, and that next website is Transcribe Me. Now, I've also mentioned this website before. This is where you find human edited transcription jobs, AI powered transcription and translation, all those kind of stuff. And here is what the website looks like. You can see a lot of things they do here on the website. So if you want to become a freelancer, all you need to do is just to create an account, connect with your PayPal, because they usually pay through PayPal, and then you take the entrance exam like the other ones. So to become a freelancer, you click here where it says become a freelancer, and you're going to see that for starting, you're going to be earning $15 to $22 per audio hour, and on the average you earn to $50 monthly, and special teams earn like $60 to $70 per audio hour. So these are different things, so you have to like build an experience with them before you get to the level of earning $60 to $70 per hour. If you want to get started here as a transcriber, you click here where it says start freelancing, and then here is the page where you're going to fill out your name, your country, and all this kind of stuff, and then you sign up. You have to know that you have an entrance exam to write on this website, of which you're going to prepare yourself to answer basic questions as regards transcription. And if you're successful, you get into the freelance program, and then you start getting jobs. Remember, this particular one pays per audio hour and not per audio minutes like the other ones I mentioned. And you must have a PayPal account, because most of these websites pay you via PayPal. So the next website I want to talk about is called Casting Words Workshop. This is an American company that gives you a platform to do transcription jobs and get paid for it. However, this website does not really pay as much as others. They pay like 8.5 cents per audio minute to transcribe on the website, and this website is not really available in every country. However, they have this partnership with PayPal, because you must get your payment via PayPal, and if the payment service is available in your country, then you're eligible to work for them on this website. So if you are in the United States, or if your country is available, if you check out the website, you might want to try to apply to them, and hopefully you get paid. Another good thing about them is that the payment threshold is very, very low, like $1 you can withdraw your money via PayPal. So you might want to also check that out. So if you're looking for other typing jobs, I have other videos here about transcription job. You might want to check them out. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.